Hi guys, you're on Creative Channel, and today I offer you to make this very handy and stable pen holder. And as always, we'll start from a list of necessary things. Take a few pieces of decorative paper. In my case, the red paper is quite thick and the white one is thin wrapping paper. Also, we need a piece of corrugated cardboard and any type of glue. Hot glue gun isn't necessary, but I will use it. First, I need to cover my piece of corrugated cardboard with wrapping paper. If you like, you can paint it or cover with fabric. The size of cardboard is 32 cm to 14 cm, or approximately 14 inches to 6 inches. The next step is to find the center of this rectangle. In my case, it is 16 cm or 7 inches. And I will make a not very deep cut. It will help to bend the cardboard right in the center. And later I will fill this gap with hot glue to make it more stable. It's time to make the bottom. Take one more piece of cardboard and trace the size of our pen holder. And again, cover it with wrapping paper. Now, take 4 pieces of thick paper. The measurements are shown. Fold them in half and then make creases approximately 1 cm away from the edges. I decided to glue wrapping paper to these edges to make them look more tidy. The last step is to adhere these bright pieces to the main construction. And as always, at the end I've decided to change the design a little bit. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.